Alright, here we are in downtown Wisconsin Dells, Wisconsin. Looking at all the neat little shops, and we're just going to walk and see what we can come up with. Some really cool stuff down through here. Some things. Lots of it touristy stuff, but we're going to have a good time. There's the cheeseheads. Yeah.
Then
What's in the clock go around?
Follow the pipe. On and on the rats follow, right out of the streets of heaven and into the river light, where the musically enchanted rats met their doom.
Alright, smile and wave. Hello. We did lots of this today. Standing in line, waiting on someone to wait on us. Oh well. Wave or do something. Okay, we are in Johnson Creek, eating dinner at Garibaldi, Fiesta Garibaldi. There's Katie, and there is Noel. Good night, kid. And that's Noel's parents back over there. Bill and Sherry. And we're gonna have good stuff. Okay, there's Kyle eating his chicken covered with mole. Is it good?
Not really.
This is mine. It's a real spicy sauce. There's Katie.
I don't know how to pick this up.
It's good. I like it.
Pick it up.
That's fajitas. I'm not sure what Laura got over there.
Pass this guy. I took some off of it.
Jake's eating his fajitas over there. And Kyle's getting some of Kate's because he doesn't like this mole at all.
Yeah, that mole
is like on fire.